Hi, this is Michael Rony Mullick, and you're watching the post market show. And today we had a good opening, and markets went up and tested 17,660 to 670 levels, and from there it fell. And the European markets were weak, and dollar index was shooting up. And also in here we have a long weekend ahead. So next week we only have two proper trading sessions. So people were looking to book profits, and all of those combined accelerated the fall towards the downside. Nifty almost coming very close to 17,500, but that was protected. And in the last 1 hour, market did recover around 50-60 points. So that was today's market, and it was all the banking stocks which did amazing today. And Bank Nifty up by more than it was up more than 41,000, and it came down slightly, all thanks to Axis Bank coming with excellent results. Profits up by 70%, and the stock is up by 9% today. So it was all banking stocks running the show. And apart from that, the other sectors were flat to negative is what was observed. So let us look into the charts and see what has happened. Nifty forming a red candle in the daily charts, and if we look at the movement, so we can see let's look into the weekly chart, because today was a Friday. So let's see what the week is indicating. So week was definitely a positive week for Nifty breaking out from this level which we talked about. So an inside candle forming in the previous week. Today this week we saw a good breakout from those levels. So we were either expecting a break on the upside or a breakdown. So it went up, so that is definitely good for our markets. And coming to intraday charts, so we saw the markets opening with a good gap up above 17,600, consolidating for the most part of the day. But after 1:30 we saw a massive fall happening, and Nifty broke the day's low, broke yesterday's market, filled that gap and came even further. So finally it took support around 17,520, yes, 17,520 levels, and then it moved up. So this is Nifty. And coming to back Nifty, fantastic day, opened with a gap up, continued to move up, and touched a high of 41,032. From there profit booking came, and it came down to 40,600, and then again shot up to 40,800, ending 1.7% up, and Nifty ending almost flat, positive by 0.07%. So a second day where we saw Nifty and back Nifty reacting in an opposite fashion. Even yesterday we saw Nifty moving up with a lot of strength, Bank Nifty ending in the red. Today Bank Nifty moving up with a lot of strength, and Nifty ending absolutely flat. So this is the overall Nifty and Bank Nifty. But mid caps and small caps did not have a great day. Both are down. Nifty mid caps down by 0.68%, and Nifty small cap down by 0.43%. And most of the sectors have ended in the red, apart from the banking and financial sectors. PSU Bank Index up by 1.85%, private banks up by 1.66%, and Nifty Finance up by 0.76%. Apart from that, all sectors ended in the red, but again very slightly, nothing significant. So Nifty PSU Bank, not PSU, Nifty Pharma down by 0.84%, metals down by 1.92%. Even Nifty IT came under profit booking, down by 0.34%. Coming to some stock specific action, Axis Bank, like I told you in the beginning, what a fantastic move. Net profits were up 70%, and it moved up by 9% today, and it could be the all-time high. Let us look at the monthly charts and confirm it. Yes, Axis Bank is at its all-time high level, and with a lot of volume as well. So definitely good for the stock, and that is why Nifty moved up so much. I think it contributed almost 46.6 points to Nifty alone. I see Axis Bank, and so that is that. And apart from that, Canara Bank again shot up by 3.7% today. IndusInd Bank again falling today after good results. Yesterday it fell, today again it fell, but State Bank of India doing pretty well, up by 0.98%. ICICI Bank up by 2%. Hindustan Unilever, after good results, it's up by 2% today. But ITC fell after touching 52-week high. Today it came under profit booking, down by 1.17%. And talking about negatives, even Bajaj Finance and Finserv came out with its results, and both are down. Bajaj Finance down by 3.22%, and Bajaj Finserv down by 2.39%. And even Axis Asian Paints came under uh, selling pressure after declaring bad results. So we talked about the zone, it clearly breaking down from these levels. So Asian Paints looking pretty weak for the time being. Reliance Industries are falling again by 1.16 percentage. So that was dragging the markets down as well. Nifty movers of the day: Axis Bank, definitely top gainer. ICICI Bank, Kotak Bank, State Bank. So top four are those banking stocks, private sector banks. Then Hindustan Unilever and Titan was also there. Top losers include Reliance, Bajaj Finance, ITC, L&T, HDFC Bank. So these are the Nifty movers of the day. FIIs have bought for 438 crores, so they have become buyers after many weeks, is what I'd say. And DIIs have sold today for 119 crores. So not much happening in the DII and FII front. Apart from that, open interest wise, people have sold a lot of call options in Nifty. This is the next Thursday, 27th of October expiry. 17,600, 700, and 18,000, adding a lot of call options today. So people have sold these options, expecting the market to stay slightly bearish. So on an overall basis, since put call ratio is 0.89, it means slight bearishness is there in the markets. But overall, 18,000 has the highest amount of call build-up, and on the downside, 17,500 and 17,000, these have good amount of put build-ups. So people are expecting 17,000 to 18,000 as a wide range, because again, there are less trading days and people would like to take less risks next week. So that is why such conservative positions is what I believe. Coming to Bank Nifty, 40,500 added huge open interest. Now I think it has the highest amount of put build up, and on the upside, 41,000 as the highest amount of call build up. So Bank Nifty having a very interesting zone, just 500 zone where call and puts are being built up. And after the huge up move today, put call ratio improved to 1.16. A lot of put additions happening intraday. So let's see where it goes. Even people have sold 43,000 call options in Bank Nifty because of the spike that happened today. So let's see what is happening in the global markets and what indications we can get for the upcoming week. So if we look at the European markets, all of them were trading in the red, but after 6 o'clock, we saw that a huge up move in the markets after US pre-open started. So you can see markets moving up post 6 o'clock. Before that, markets were down, actually opened with a huge gap down, continued to move down, and that was it, dragging the Indian markets as well. UK markets, same thing, it opened down, but after 6 o'clock in the evening, it is shooting up like anything, more than 1% up. Coming to US market, this is the source of the positivity at present. You can see it opened, this is Dow Jones, opened with a slight, almost flat, then two huge green candles forming, then some profit booking came in, but again it is shooting up. Now it is at the day's high, 1.82% up. Coming to Nasdaq, we are seeing Nasdaq is up by 1.45%, again at the day's high. S&P 500 1.6% up, again trading at the day's high. So a lot of positivity in the US markets. US VIX slightly below 30, 29.94. That is a good sign. And India VIX is around 17.2. Nothing happened. Crude oil prices are again consolidating around 85 zone. Coming to gold prices have shot up after forming a double bottom formation over here. So gold prices are moving higher, and dollar index is weakening, is what we are seeing. It made a high of around 113.9, so that was again a panic situation. It actually started after 1 o'clock, and our market started falling from there. But thankfully, after the US markets opened, a huge fall coming in dollar index. It has crashed almost, I think, let's look at the percentage from the top to bottom. Yeah, almost 2% down. So that is why the US markets are up significantly, and dollar index, if it comes down, it is obviously good for our markets as well. USD INR, it did not make a panic high today. The high made was yesterday, the low, in fact, the low made yesterday 83.27. Today it is again gained a bit of strength, 82.6 is where it is trading at. Coming to SGX Nifty, 17,750 is the level where it is currently trading. So a lot of positivity in the market because of US markets trading in the green, and overall the situation is the market sentiment is right now positive. So Nifty, the levels I'll be watching out is definitely up above. I'm looking at 17,660 as a resistance, then 17,700, 17,950. These are the three level of resistances I'll be looking on the upside. Downside 17,450 and 17,220. Back Nifty, coming to that, 41,800 is again a resistance, and today's high 41,000 is going to act as a resistance, and downside 40,100 and 39,800 is the supports I'm looking at. So overall situation right now is on the bullish side, and since not much of a activity happening next week, I hope you have squared off your aggressive positions, because if there's a huge gap up, gap down, whatever happens, since the markets are closed, it is difficult to adjust the positions or exit them. And apart from that, on Monday there is a special Muhurat trading happening. It starts from 6:15 to 7:15, only 1 hour of trading, and there's a 15-minute like from 9 to 9:7, 9:08 we have the pre-market. Same thing will happen, 6 to 6:08 we have a pre-market, and 6:15 normal markets would open. You can trade cash market, futures, options, everything would be open, but it is considered auspicious to buy some stocks on that particular day, because again it's a tradition that is being followed in the Indian markets. So that is happening in the evening, but in the morning there will be no market. Normal hours markets will be closed on Monday, only 1 hour of trading in the evening. So that's there. Apart from that, we have the Tuesday, normal markets are open. Wednesday holiday, Thursday is the monthly expiry of the October month. And wishing you all the very best. Thank you for watching, and have a good night.